Hello students, hope all of you are fine and staying safe at home. So we have completed our chapter understanding elementary shapes. So today I will give you a recapitulation class of this chapter. That means whatever we have studied in this chapter, I will give the brief description of all the topics. Then after that we will go for the solution of the worksheets. So what we have studied in this chapter? We have studied about measuring line segments. How to measure line segments with ruler and divider. Then we have studied about the use of clock. How to see clock, how to measure the angle between the hands of the clock, and various things we have studied here. Then we have moved to the Exercise 11a, where we have studied how to divide a circle into several parts and find the measurement of each part. Then we have turned to the use of protractor. I have told you how to use protractor, the lower scale and the outer scale. So lower scale, when we will draw the angle on the left side of a line, that time we will use lower scale, and when we will draw the angle at the right hand side, then we will use the outer scale. In this way I have explained you the use of protractor. Then we have moved to the topic types of angles. Types of angles. There are 7 types of angles I have told you. What are those? Let's have a look. Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. So there are 7 types of angle which I have explained you and I have given you in your notes. Then after circle, we have moved to the topic pair of lines. So I have told you there are 2 categories of pair of lines. One is parallel line and one is intersecting line. And the intersecting line is again had a special type, that is perpendicular line. So main thing is parallel and perpendicular line. This thing we have studied under the topic pair of lines. Then we have moved to classification of triangles. So before going to classification of triangles, I have told you what is triangle. A triangle is a closed figure bounded by 3 sides. Then triangle is classified into 6 types. 3 on the basis of angles and 3 on the basis of sides. So on the basis of sides, what are those? Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. And on the basis of angle, they are acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle, and right angled triangle. So here we ends up with the triangle. Then we have moved to classification of quadrilaterals. So before classify quadrilaterals, we have to know what is quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral is a figure bounded by 4 sides. Then we have classified the quadrilaterals. There are 5 special types of quadrilaterals. What are those? Trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. So all the 5 definitions I have given you in the notes. Then we have moved to a special property. There are some special property related to these 5 quadrilaterals which I have mentioned it in the notes. I have told you you should go through these ones, for this is important for giving reasons to some particular statement. And while explaining quadrilateral, I have taught you one more thing, that is diagonal. What is diagonal? Suppose this is a quadrilateral. If I draw a line in this way, then this line is called the diagonal of the quadrilateral. This is not explained here. Just while explaining it in the class, I have told that the line obtained, this line which is obtained, it is called diagonal. So just remember kids about the diagonal. Here some of the points are related to diagonal also. So you are requested to go through this table properly, because give reasons type questions are coming from this table. Then after completion of quadrilateral, we have gone to polygon. Polygon are those which are bounded by several number of straight lines. Like in triangle it is bounded by 3, in quadrilateral it is bounded by 4, and when the numbers it gets increased then more than 4, they are called polygons. That means a figure bounded by 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, 8 sides, 9 sides, 10 sides. So here I have shown you this table where the several polygons name and their number of sides along with their figures are given. Then we have gone to the regular polygon. So regular polygon is a polygon whose all sides and angles are equal. So here we will end up the chapter understanding elementary shapes. With this video, I will attach a worksheet which is left for the students to be done by themselves, and I hope my dear students will solve them properly in their notebook. Thank you. So we will meet you next class. In our next class, we will meet you with a new chapter and new things. Thank you. Bye.